Planning your wedding should be a fun and rewarding experience, and you want to avoid getting bogged down with each and every decision. One of the first and most important decisions that you need to make about your wedding is selecting your color scheme. In order to make this decision easy for you, try selecting colors that match your environment. Take inspiration from your favorite colors and decorating styles, and choose colors that complement each other and work well together. In this 3-part series, I will give you ways on choosing the right colors for your wedding. Today on Part 3, creating a color scheme. Number 1, research different color trends. Read wedding magazines or visiting an art gallery to discover different color combinations. Although you don't want to select a certain color scheme just because it's trendy, this may be a great place to find out which colors work well together. Number 2, choose colors that complement each other. Most weddings use more than one color in a color scheme. For example, you may decide on 2 main colors and 1 accent color. It may be easy to list your 3 favorite colors, but what if they don't match or work well together? You can consult a color wheel to help you pair your favorite color with a few accent colors. As a general rule, colors that go well together are opposite of each other on a color wheel because it pairs a warm color with a cooler color. For example, turquoise and coral pair nicely together. The easiest way to think about color pairings is by selecting a bright color and a more neutral tone color. For instance, blush and gold or violet and gray. And number 3, incorporate color with care. It is possible to go overboard with your colors. Perhaps your favorite color is bright pink, but you don't want your wedding to look like a Barbie party. To avoid this, use the pink sparingly as a splash of color. Keep the rest of your colors neutral and then add a pop of pink in your bouquet, as ribbons around your centerpieces, or as the calligraphy on your menus. I do hope this helps you pick those wonderful colors for your special day. For a coffee time moment, I'm Jaclyn St James. Thanks for watching.